How to make a beat with a sample in Ableton Live. Here I have this sample with these drums. Listen to the beat. Is the sample, and here I have the effects to the sample. First I use the magic switch, baby audio. Without effects, sound like this. With effects. Here I have the chorus. And the equalizer. Melody is like 1 octave up, and the difference with the other sample, I use the reverb native of Ableton and this fresh air. This is a free plugin of LA Digital, so I use this configuration. To make more presence this melody. Nice. Yeah, that is the melody. Here I have the drum rack. This is snare, the kick, hi-hat, and airway. The sounds you have in the library in description in my page. You can download the free version of my libraries, sound kits, and you have the premium version. Link in description. Okay, so listen to the drums. Yeah, that is the beat, and listen the final result. So thanks for watching. I see you in the next video, and subscribe, like, etc.